Ricicle here. I'm gonna do a little unboxing. My friend gave me a note, or gave me a present. Awesome. I already know what's inside, so, but I'll let you guys guess, or you're gonna know because there's a title underneath. But point is, gonna be awesome. Wow, she wrapped this up real nice. Looks beautiful. Look at that. I don't even want to unwrap it. It's just so pretty. But yeah, I'll just do it by hand for once. What do you guys really know? Well, I think I can recycle this. Use this as a. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Yeah, I have no tripod, so you guys are gonna have to bear with me. Nice bow. Untie this. So excited. I've wanted this forever and finally got it. Awesome. Helped a friend move, and she bought me this, so nice of her. So nice of her. Don't rip any of this. Maybe I can try to open it with as little damage as I can. It's so hard not to just like pry it open. It is really beautifully wrapped though. A box within a box. Inception. Alright. Now I can use a knife. I'm going to use the native because I'm going to sharpen it right afterwards. So, yeah. I'm going to sharpen this right afterwards. And I'll be able to get all my knives real sharp, real nice and sharp, because that's why. Spyderco Sharpmaker. Awesome. So cool. Bam, comes with a CD. Awesome. And without the Spyderco Sharpmaker, I did a pretty good job on this. But with the Sharpmaker, fuck. So psyched. This is awesome. So, Jessica, thank you so much for getting me this. I'm going to use it so much. I love this thing. Yeah. Nice little Sharpmaker CD. Teach me how to use it. I'm pretty sure it's relatively self-explanatory. Cover for it. Nice. And awesome. Enclosed booklet. Oh, it's just how-tos and stuff like that. So, oh man, this is so cool. Ceramic. Oh, I thought they'd click in or something. They don't. Wow, this thing isn't very rough at all. So let's see what it looks like. Yeah. I hope that works. But go like this. And this is the, I don't know what degree this one is, but I'll play with this around later because I have no idea how this works. Cool. This is awesome. One of them is like 45 and the other's like 35, I don't know. So, let's just have a comparison. Well, can't do that, but yeah, see, this one's wider, and then this one is steeper. So I'm going to use this one most of the time. But, thank you so much, Jessica. I love you. Cool. Alright, this is the end of this video. Dang, this store is real nice. Awesome. Probably not going to travel with it, but still awesome. I heard you can turn it upside down and use the back. You can use a regular whetstone. And you can. That's awesome. Super cool. Super. I'm like having a brain orgasm right now. I'm probably not even going to use the brass shields for my hands because unnecessary. But anyway, end of this video. I'm going to sharpen all my knives. Later, guys. I really need a better camera and tripod, but later.